Hey everybody, we're going to be making a rainbow poo emoji cake decoration today. We're going to be making it out of gum paste. It'll be 100% edible and it's super easy to do. So to get started, all you need is some green gum paste. Roll it out into basically a big old sausage. And I'm using a biscuit cutter to keep the circle shape nice and tight. And for the green at the base, you're going to make it only halfway around instead of a complete circle. Just make a semicircle. And you're going to have to flatten it so that it tapers down from the outside edge down to the ground into the center. And that's going to give the poo the angle look that we're going to be going for. So you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Just making sure it's nice and round because that's going to be the sample for everything else to follow. And you can see how it tapers down on the side. And that's what we're going to build on. So that's our base. Next color is blue. So you're just going to make another big old sausage, and I'm comparing it to the green here just to make sure the thickness is right about the same. And you make a big ring out of it and stack it on top, but you want the angle to be so that it's like halfway down on the green so that the blue does touch the bottom of the plate. And once you get that angle set, you make another roll out of red, cut it to shape so it's a little bit smaller than the blue, and then place it on into the center of the blue. You're going to want the angles to taper toward the center like a triangle because our poo is triangular. He's not off to the side or anything. And now you're going to do it again for the orange. Make another circle, or I'm sorry, another log out of it and curl it into a circle. Stack it on top of the red and make sure it's tucked in so that we keep our shape. And this honestly reminds me very much of those little kids' toys where you have the different colored rings that sit on the peg and they get smaller as you go to the top. It's pretty much exactly that. And now the last piece you're going to need is yellow. All I did to make the yellow on the top is I made a yellow ball and I gave it a little point off to the one side to be the little tip of the poo. And when you place it on, you're going to want to place it so that the point is off to the right side a little bit. You can kind of see how it's I'm placing it there like that. And what you don't get to see, unfortunately, is the smile and the eyes. They're just ovals, white ovals of gum paste. You roll out nice and thin with little ovals of black on top. And the smile is just a semicircle that I cut and shaped to fit. And to attach everything to each other, all I did was get a paintbrush, like a little kid's watercolor paintbrush with some water, and just lightly brush everything on to stick it together. And you will end up with your final product. It's really easy, and I hope you enjoyed making the rainbow poo with me. Thanks!